A tube mill with a V-belt drive uses a belt transmission system to transfer power from the motor to the mill's rotating assembly. This setup is common in heavy-duty applications like mineral and coal grinding, offering smooth power transmission, shock absorption, and cost-effective operation. V-belts are preferred for their ability to handle high torque loads and reduce vibration compared to direct drives. They allow flexibility in motor placement and are easier to maintain than gear-driven systems. However, they may require periodic tensioning and have lower efficiency than direct drive systems. Suitable for large-scale industrial operations where reliability and moderate speed control are critical. Thanks for following the channel, Courses in the Cement Industry. And please help us to continue and provide more information by subscribe to the membership and inviting your colleagues to watch this channel.